Hey, it's Matt here, and today I want to show you 5 useful camera gadgets for content creators. I've been using all camera gadgets in this video every day for the past year. They helped me speed up my workflow and made my creative process a lot easier. So let's check them out. The one gadget that's always on my camera is a cage from SmallRig. First of all, let me just say that I'm extremely impressed with the build quality of this cage. It is made of high quality aluminum and it's incredibly solid and durable. The camera fits perfectly inside and is held securely in place with multiple points of contact. One of the things I love most about this cage is the variety of mounting options it provides. There are multiple threaded holes, which allows me to add on all sorts of accessories. This gives me a lot of flexibility in how I set up my camera for different shots. Another great feature of this cage is the access to all of the camera's controls and ports. There are cutouts for the battery compartment, HDMI and USB ports. However, with my A7S III, that's my main camera, I have a hard time changing the shooting mode and sometimes I miss the record button. Overall, I highly recommend the SmallRig camera cage to any filmmaker looking for a versatile, high quality and durable camera cage. It's a great addition to my camera setup and has helped me to take my filming to the next level. This next gadget extremely sped up my filming process. It's the Edelkrone QuickRelease V2. The first thing that stood out to me about this gadget was its sleek and minimalist design. The compact size makes it easy to transport and the durable constructions ensures that it can withstand regular use. But after half a year of everyday use, the rubber part fell off. I fixed it with glue and it works fine now. The main feature of this gadget is its ability to quickly and easily adjust your camera to any tripod. This is achieved through the use of a unique locking mechanism that allows you to make adjustments with a simple twist. Also, this locking mechanism provides an added level of security for your camera through tight grip on the screws of a tripod. So no more screwdrivers, coins or knives when you are in need to change the tripod plate on your camera, because all you need is this. We will stay with the brand Edelkrone for the next gadget. The FlexTilt head allows you to smoothly and securely adjust your camera angle. This allows you a greater range of movement and more creative possibilities when you are shooting. Additionally, the built-in locking system ensures that once you've set your camera in the desired position, it stays put. However, I needed to adjust the screws on all moving points because my camera setup was heavy. Another feature I love is the compact design. It's small and lightweight enough to take on the go, making it a great option for traveling or outdoor shoots. One important thing to note is that the FlexTilt head is designed for smaller mirrorless cameras and smaller DSLRs. If you are using a heavier and bigger camera, you should probably consider a different option. This plate is a must-have for any photographer or videographer looking to keep their gear organized and easily accessible. The plate features a variety of different size screw holes, allowing you to store all your screws and hex keys into one convenient location. Great feature of this plate is that it's made of durable aluminum, so it's built to last. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to take with you on the go, which is perfect for those of us who are always on the move. The hex key storage is also a great addition. It makes it easy to keep your hex keys organized and easily accessible while working on projects. The SmallRig screw and hex key storage plate is a great investment. It will save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run, and I highly recommend it. A camera cleaning kit shouldn't be missing in your camera bag if you are a full-time content creator or even if you are just starting. I've had this cleaning kit from Rolly for 2, maybe 3 years now, and it has everything I need. Double-sided brush with an anti-smudge cleaning end, few alcohol wipes, microfiber cloth which I lost, so I replaced it with another one, air blow tool which is great for removing dust, and the lens cleaning solution. In my opinion, this is the best cleaning kit you can get for its price. It's about 30 euros. All the things are stored in this tube so you can easily travel with it. And I can't imagine not having it with me in my camera bag or even here in my studio. So that's it. Let me know if you own any of these gadgets and share your opinion on them in the comment section below. Also, be sure to support me by subscribing to my channel and leave a like if you found this video helpful. See you soon!